AI eventually replace us, or can it advance alongside us? Let's take a quick look at the future of AI and humanity. On one hand, AI is simplifying repetitive tasks like diagnosing diseases with smart systems or managing warehouses with robots. That means we humans can focus on creativity and emotional intelligence, areas where machines still fall short. On the other hand, there's a real threat of job displacement. Reports suggest that automation could eliminate millions of positions. Ethical concerns like data privacy and algorithmic bias are also becoming more urgent. So, what's the solution? Balance. AI should serve as an empowering tool, not a rival to humanity. Through proper regulation and ethical AI development, we can ensure technology works for us, enhancing our capabilities rather than undermining them. How do you see AI's future? Will it stand with us or against us? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.